Lab safety. Laboratories in general must be clean, spacious, well ventilated, with all things in its respective places. Now let us see about the general laboratory safety measures that are to be followed. Always wear lab coats while working in the laboratory. Make sure you wear hand gloves while handling chemicals in the laboratory. Wear UV rated glasses or goggles whenever necessary to protect your eyes. Always tie your hair while working in the laboratory. Keep the chemicals in their respective places. Label the solutions and chemicals properly to avoid confusion and accidents. Dispose electrophoresis gels in their respective dustbins. Safety procedures to be followed in the laminar airflow chamber. Always keep your workplace clean and tidy. Make sure your head is outside the laminar airflow chamber and hands stretched in. Dispose the waste properly in the dustbins. Wipe the laminar airflow chamber with ethanol before and after use. Now let us see the handling of hazardous chemicals. Hazardous chemicals should not be kept in open environment. They should be always kept in fume hoods. Use bulb pipettes for transferring hazardous chemicals. Do not try mouth pipetting. Do wear gloves and goggles. Don'ts. The things that should never be done in a laboratory. Never eat food or drink beverages in the laboratory. Never touch, taste, or smell any chemicals used in the laboratory. Do not use mobile phones or any other unwanted electronic gadgets in the laboratory. Unnecessary noises should be avoided in the lab. Never expose yourself to hazardous radiations like ultraviolet rays. Do not dispose carcinogenic chemicals like ethidium bromide in the sink. The other general lab safety requirements. Every lab must contain a first aid kit with a list of medicines, their uses, and expiry date. Know the location of electrical main switch to turn it off during power problems. Use ID card access doors to restrict entry inside the laboratory. On a concluding note, safety is as simple as ABC. Always be careful.